Hello guys, welcome back to Chubby Chemistry Studies. I know you are watching this video right now because you will be taking Jamb in 2025, and if I'm correct, you are watching this video right now because you are scared of physics. You are a science student, you love biology, you love chemistry, but you are scared of physics and you are like, how do I start preparing for physics right now? I don't know how to study physics. I don't know how to go about the calculations. I don't know the books that I need to get for me to be able to pass my Jamb Physics 2025. Calm down, because in this video I'll be telling you the books that you need to get, how to use those books, and how to study your physics for you to be able to score high in your Jamb 2025. Let's get to the video, guys. Okay, so like I said earlier, in this video I'll be introducing you guys to certain books that you need to get, like the books that I think are very important that can actually make your physics studying easier. And also I will tell you guys how to study your physics in order for you to understand. I know most of you find physics difficult, and also I will explain certain things to you guys. Yeah. Okay, so first of all, let me start with the materials. That is the books you need as you're preparing for your Jamb physics exam. So the number one thing you need is your physics syllabus. You will be like, where do I get the physics syllabus? Actually, you can just go to Google or Chrome and search for Jamb 2025 physics syllabus, and you will see it, and then you'll be able to download it. But if you're not able to download it, you can send me a message on this number here and tell me, sir, I need Jamb physics syllabus. Then I will send it to you. I will send you a PDF of Jamb physics syllabus. Then now let's get to the materials that you need. That's the books that you need. Right now in front of me, I have 4 books. So I think this book is very important. I've had this book for 6 years now, and anytime I want to teach my students, I still go back to this book because this book is very important. Sorry. Okay, so what is the name of this book? This is Calculation in Physics. Calculation in Physics by Charles A. Asemota. Yeah. So this book has like all the calculations. Like this book has, like, they will explain a topic and then they will give questions and solutions to that. They will give questions and solutions under that topic. So if you take a look at this first page now, you see this. I think this is the first topic in your physics textbook. That is measurement. So that is how it is in this book too. They list the topic, explain certain things under that topic, and then solve questions under it. So I think this book is very important. It's very small. It's something you can finish twice before your Jamb exam if actually you have started studying. If you take a look at this page now, you see reflection, and they also have diagrams and everything. Also, you will see this has to do with vibration, this has to do with sound wave. So everything is in this book. Like everything you need as you are preparing for your Jamb physics is in this book. When I was preparing for my Jamb that year, I finished this book twice. So you too can also do that. Hope you understand. So the next one is this one is very important. This prep 50 past question. Prep 50 past question. If you actually have been watching my videos, I must have talked about this book before. So this past question actually arrange their questions topic by topic. That is for each topic. They will bring out all the questions that Jamb has asked under that topic before. So if you take a look at this page right now, this has to do with thermal expansion. They brought out all the Jamb past questions that has to do with thermal expansion, and they will put it under a particular topic. So that is how this past question is. So I think it's very important. So that you also need it. And this is the most important one. Most of you will be like, sir, should I study with textbook or should I just be solving past question? Actually, you need your textbook. I'm sure everybody knows this textbook. You can see this textbook is very old now because I've had it for over 8 years now. You can see how old it is. Yeah, so you need your textbook. So once you study anything on your textbook, you can now go to past question and solve past question. Now to another thing, this book, I've had it for 2 years. Yeah. And what is inside this book? I call this book my formula book, my physics formula book. So what's inside this book? Okay, so in this book I compiled all the important topics I think you should know as you're preparing for your Jamb physics. So what is inside this book? If you take a look at this page right now, you will see what I wrote there. I wrote wave motion, sound waves. So I compiled all the important formulas I think you should know before entering the hall for your Jamb physics. So if you take a look at this page also, you will see electrostatics, you will see all the formulas under electrostatics. You will see capacitors, you will see reflection, you will see refraction, and also you will see electricity, and also you will see all the formulas under them. You understand? So if you need this book, you can just send me a message on WhatsApp here, and I will send you a copy of this my formula book. But please be careful with this my formula book, and don't just start sharing it to everybody, because this is my personal efforts. So if you need this formula book, just chat me up on this number and tell me, sir, I need your physics formula book. But before that, make sure you have subscribed to this channel before sending me a message on WhatsApp, because I will ask you if you subscribe before sending me a message. Okay, so now we are done with the materials that you need. The next thing is, how do I study my physics? Okay, first of all, how to study your physics, like if actually you want to score high in physics. I know most of you are scared of physics. So the first thing you need to do is study a particular topic. That's why I said start studying on time. Start studying on time. Use your physics textbook. That is new school physics textbook. That is recommended textbook, I think. So study any topic on this from your textbook. Then go to this particular one, calculation in physics. Solve all the calculations under that topic from this book. After solving all the calculations under this under that topic on this book, then you can get your Jamb pass question, that is prep 50 pass question, and then start studying. Start solving all the Jamb pass questions under that topic you have already studied. Hope you understand. So that's how to study for your physics. Physics is actually very easy, but you just need to like know your formulas. Formulas are like the foundation of physics. Once you don't know your formula in physics, you can't do anything in physics. So the formulas are the main thing that you need. That's why you need my copy of that's why you need my physics formula book, so that anytime you study a particular topic and you don't know the formulas that are under that topic, you just go to my book, go through it, and see the necessary formulas you need to know under that topic. Hope you understand. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys.